Hi everybody, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Monisi, and today I'm going to be showing you some ideas to decorate for Thanksgiving. So Thanksgiving is coming up in a few short weeks. I love hosting people. I like having people over, and I think that's just because that's how I grew up. My mom has always been a hostess and she's loved having people over, making them food, decorating the table for when people come over, just making it feel so cozy and welcome. And she's always the person that gets the family together and hosts all of the holidays, parties, birthdays, anything you can think of. So I grew up in an atmosphere of always having a hospitable heart. I think that my love of hospitality does come from my mom, and even though I have not gotten the chance to do that because I've never had a house, I cannot wait to be able to host parties and have people come over for coffee and cake and dinner and just a lot of those things. But I do think it's so special when you can decorate your table and just make a very cozy meal, and it does make your guests feel extra special when you make it extra cozy for them. I'm going to show you some things that I found today, and if you are on a budget, that's okay. Like, you can find some really cute things in the dollar section of Target or even your local thrift store. If you can find stuff that you like, you have to be creative. For the tablecloth, I was not going to use a tablecloth, but then I was looking through some of the things that I had and I found this beautiful tablecloth. I just really love that detail, and I think it's going to go so well with the napkins that we found at Hobby Lobby, and I will show you those later. So with the napkins, they are cloth napkins. And what I thought would look really cute is if I wrapped each one individually with this beautiful mustard velvet ribbon. I just thought this was beautiful. It looks kind of gold, but it's like a mustard color. So I'll do that later. And then my mom has these placemats. These are also Hobby Lobby. I think they were on like crazy sale when she bought all of them. They can get kind of pricey, so you just have to watch for the sales that they have. Today we found these amber candle holders and these beautiful candles that we found today. Olive color, and then what is this color called? Warm tan. So I'm gonna see what I can do with all this decor, and then I'll get back to you guys. So here are the cloth napkins that we found at Hobby Lobby. We bought 8 of them, and I was trying to figure out how to fold these. I ended up just doing kind of a simple fold, and then I grabbed the velvet ribbon and wrapped it around it, and I didn't make a bow or anything. I just tied it twice, and it was pretty simple to do. Most of the decor I'm using was either my mom's, like this turkey is hers, the tablecloth was a gift from her, this is also hers, the dried flowers also, and that beautiful vase. That little wagon with the pumpkins was from the dollar section of Target, and that is also hers. Those are the candle holders, and then all of that is hers as well. So this is her house, but I was able to use all of the things that she has to decorate. And those little quails are actually brass, and she found those at an antique store, I believe. But I just think those are so cute. As I mentioned before, these placemats you can find at Hobby Lobby, and they're very simple. I like how it's just very neutral. Everything on this table, there's just a little bit of pops of color that are very festive for Thanksgiving. And these placemats go with any season, which is kind of nice, so you don't have to have so many things, and it just matches with whatever season. If you are on the lookout for new plates, I definitely recommend just going for something very neutral. I know some people go and buy very bold colors and then they regret it, because with neutrals, whites, you know, tan, it goes with everything, and you can switch it out and switch the decor out and still use the same plates, and it goes with anything. And I love how the napkins turned out on the table, and I lit some candles for some mood lighting, and I thought that this was such a cozy tablescape. I like how it wasn't too crazy with the colors. It was just very neutral and warm toned, and with a little bit of pops of color. Nothing crazy, but I used what I had. I bought very few things. You don't need to spend that much money to make a table feel cozy and welcoming for your Thanksgiving guests. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you have a specific theme that you have planned for your Thanksgiving, if there's a specific color you have in mind, or just kind of keeping it plain. I personally love decorating, so I love to hear ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel for future videos, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought, and I hope to see you next time.
Hold on, don't move. Yeah, don't move.
My name is Bobo and welcome to my channel.